go, driver!
Hey everyone, it's Bob again, and we are heading out on the second trip this week. It's Thursday and we're on our way. We're heading to Centro again with some more of these batteries. We picked this load up yesterday after I unloaded. We've been getting a lot of rain, and Phoenix has gotten a lot of rain, and El Centro is getting a lot of rain. So they pushed these loads off, finally got the okay that they're going to unload them on tomorrow, but I'm afraid of what we're going to run into tomorrow. There may be a ton of them down there, I don't know. So we'll see what happens. Kind of a gloomy gray day, but I'm hoping that I run out of this in the next couple hours and that I get into some blue sky. That would bode well for tomorrow. I was a little bit concerned because I saw I had something flapping in the breeze as I was going. Turned out the wind just got in. That's the zipper access, and the wind just kind of got in and pulled the zippers down. Yeah, sometimes, I mean, I had my Gorilla Tape. I was ready to tape it up. I didn't, as fussy as they are at this place, I don't want to have it flapping around and scratching the paint or whatever. Oh. So I can do this. Zip it back up. I'll put it back there so the wind won't do it again. Yeah, it's starting to do it on the back one too, so I'll have to climb up there and get to that. Got down here at midnight. I think it was traffic in Vegas kind of messed me up. It took about a half hour longer than I was expecting. Things are starting to dry out and it was all packed down. So I just pulled right in here like I did last time. Pulled my straps so it's ready for them to inspect. Tim is on his way down and he'll be here in about another 25 minutes. On my way in, there's this little market in a little, not really town, but a little kind of community. There's this grocery store gas station combo, and there was about 7 or 8 trucks with these loads on them sitting there. So they're about 2 miles away. I knew where I was going, so I came right in here. I'm first in line, ready to get inspected. They'll wake me up when they're ready. find us something. I guess we're getting 20-foot connexes going back up. The only problem is they're down by Long Beach. You know, it's about 3.5 hours to Gardena by Long Beach. And then it's Friday afternoon coming out of LA, coming out of Long Beach. That's even better. There you go. Just like that. Okay, well, we got our 2 loads on. We had to straighten out the edge a little bit because they put it on this trailer too far over this way. He's got a 96-inch trailer, mine's a 102, so we had to move it a little bit. But that's the load. 2 20-foot containers. Saturday morning, we had a really rough night last night. We got the containers loaded, but traffic was bad, so we decided to wait in town. Trying to get to the freeway, and made a wrong turn onto a residential street that was not near wide enough for anything. And each of us ended up bumping a parked car. So that really ruins your night. Anyway, I got out to Baker and now I'm gonna get going for the day. At least, hopefully today will be a better day. Well, we got back and it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. That's the nice thing about these containers. They're empty, so they're really light. The bad thing about them is they catch the wind. And I was running into a headwind basically from Mesquite all the way north up into Utah. So even though I'm light, it was still knocking me down on my speed a little bit coming up some of the hills because the wind's barreling down. Well, we'll deliver these on Monday. He hasn't quite gotten everything finalized what I'm doing next week, so we'll have to see. I've heard rumblings on what we're doing and could be interesting, so we'll see what turns up. That'll wrap this one up, so thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.